So you're at a point where you've made that commitment and you want to change, you want to make healthier choices, but you're not sure how to do it. Well, today I've got 5 quick tips for you so that you can start making better choices to become a happier and healthier version of yourself. Hey everyone, my name's Paul Wadsworth, the founder of intralifestyle.com, and I'm here to help you live with greater health, happiness and freedom. If you want to see more videos like this one in the future, then please hit the subscribe button and share it with someone else that you may feel would benefit. Tip number 1 is eat out less often. Now, many people struggle with their weight loss because I find that they're eating out too much. And sometimes, even when you go to a restaurant and you think you're making a healthy choice, you may get a Caesar salad that's absolutely covered in all kinds of sauces and extra calories that you don't want to be consuming. So especially if your goal is weight loss. So I would say if you can look at how many times a week you're eating out and reduce that and just make a small change and adjust that, and you'll start to see some benefit there. That's a really simple one, so eat in more often. Tip number 2 is related to the first one. So if you're eating in more often, start to get some cooking lessons. Start to find some recipes and play around with foods using healthy recipes, healthy ingredients that are going to help you enjoy your food more. I know when I first started learning to cook, I was terrible, and I found that when I was eating healthy food, it just tasted bland and boring. I learned off a couple of friends of mine who were good in the kitchen. I read some blogs online and I got some books. Now, just from practice and trial and error, I can make food that tastes pretty decent and it's always healthy. Tip number 3 is actually 2 tips, so it's a bonus one, and it comes to when you're doing your groceries. So when you're doing your grocery shopping, you want to shop on the outskirts of the store. That's usually where you're going to find natural whole foods and ingredients that actually is going to help you. If you start going down the aisles, you're going to start finding packaged foods, processed foods, things that have got stuff in that you don't want to be consuming. So to remain healthy, start shopping on the outskirts of the store. The second grocery store tip to help you is go to the store after you've eaten or after you've done a workout, because in that peak state that you're going to be in, you're going to make better choices then. If you go to the store when you've gone 5 or 6 hours without eating food and you're really hungry, you're going to be tempted with those donuts that are on special offer or those cakes or whatever desserts. You're going to start wanting to buy those foods because you're in that state of hunger and you're craving those things. Tip number 4 is control your portion sizes. Now, I'm going to help you with this one. I've got a free portion guide template on the link below this video, which you can get for free. And if you focus on that rather than weighing and counting all of your calories, it's just going to give you a visual. And after time, you're going to start getting an understanding of how much food you should be eating based on the visuals. And it's a lot more natural for people to do that than to be weighing everything. Tip number 5 is fill your plate with vegetables. Vegetables are extremely healthy and most of them are really low in calories. They're full of fiber and nutrients, so it's going to help you to become healthy. It's going to help you with your skin. It's going to help you with the absorption of food. It's going to help you with your gut. It's going to help you absorb the protein from the foods that you're eating so that you're building more muscle. Not only that, it's low calorie and it's going to help you lose weight. And because of all the fiber, you're going to fill up and you're not going to feel like you're craving all of these foods that are going to start spiking your blood sugar levels, and that's all over the place. And then you start making the wrong choices. So there you have it. 5 quick tips and simple that are going to help you to start making better choices so that you can start eating healthier and living the life that you really want. Once again, thank you so much for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing and sharing it with someone else that would benefit. And I'd love for you to leave a comment below and let me know the biggest changes that you've made in your diet or that you're going to change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.